Here we will do two more example where in addition to index law 1 and 2 we will be using the sign law for index. So if we can remember that any variable with a power odd, that is odd value, it will give minus and then that variable and the power odd, that is the power. For example, if it is minus x to the power 5, it will be minus, that is minus x whole to the power 5 will be minus x to the power 5, and any minus with even power will become plus and that variable to the power that power. That means if we have minus x whole to the power 6, then we will have plus x to the power 6. So we will use this sign formula to solve this, simplify these two expression in addition to index laws 1 and 2. So let us do first example. So here we will first actually use the sign laws. So 18 minus a whole to the power 7. Here the power is odd, 7. 7 means an odd number. So we will get a minus out. So minus and then 18. So minus 18 a to the power 7 times 2 minus b to the power 4. Here the power is even. So this minus b to the power 4 will become plus b to the power 4. So it will be plus b to the power 4. So that means here this minus is coming out because of this odd power, and this minus is not coming out, it is becoming plus because of this even power. Division 12 minus b to the power 2. 2 is an even number, so this minus will become plus. So we will get b to the power 2 because minus with even power becomes plus. So minus b square, this power is even, so this minus will become plus and b square and then a square. So we need to first remove all this minus from the index and then we will do the calculation. So minus and plus will give us minus. 18 and 12, if we take 6 common and cancel, then it will be 2 times 6 is 12 and 3 times 6 is, so value we will be getting minus 3 by 2. Here a to the power 7, oh sorry, there is another 2 here, so this 2 and 2 will be cancelled, so we will be getting just minus 3 and then a to the power 7 and a to the power 2, they are division, so we will get a to the power, using index law 2, the division formula, a to the power 7 division a to the power 2, we will get 7 minus 2, that is power will be subtracted. And then here b to the power 4 and b to the power 2, we will get b to the power 4 minus this power 2. So we will get minus 3, a to the power 7 minus 2 is 5 and b to the power 4 minus 2 is 2. Let us do another example here. Minus 25 times minus x to the power 3. Since this power is odd, we will get a minus x to the power 3. So we will get minus x to the power 3 times 3 times y to the power 4 minus y to the power 4. Since this power is even, we will get plus. So we will just get y to the power 4. Division 15x square times minus y to the power 3. 3 is an odd number, so this minus will come out. So minus y to the power 3. So now we will calculate minus times minus will give plus 25 times 3. So at the numerator we will get 25 times 3 minus plus x to the power cube, that means x to the power 3 times y to the power 4. Division, here minus and plus, that means it will give minus 15 times x to the power 2 and y to the power 3. Now if we cancel this value part, so 3 times 5 is 15 and 5 times 5 is 25. So we will get, and then plus and minus, we will get minus. So in this value part is giving us minus 5. Now this x cube and x square, they can be used index law 2, that means division formula. So we will be getting x power 3 and 2, so it will be 3 minus 2 times y, this part, y to the power 4, y to the power 3, it will be 4 minus 3, y to the power 4 minus 3. So at the end we are getting minus 5 x to the power 3 minus 2, that is 1, times y to the power 4 minus 3 is 1. So power 1 we can write minus 5, simply xy.